How to use Facebook on laptop or PC. There is no need to install any app. Step 1. Open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Any browser works fine. Here, I'm using Google Chrome. Step 2. Go to Facebook website. In the address bar, type facebook.com and press enter. You'll now see the Facebook login page. Step 3. Log into your account. Enter your email or phone number and password, then click Login. You'll now have full access to your Facebook feed, messages, and notifications, just like on mobile. Optional, install this web page for easy access. If you use Chrome, click the install icon on top right now. Facebook will appear on your desktop like an app, so you can open it anytime with one click. That's it. You've just learned how to use Facebook easily on your laptop or PC. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.